What's up, ladies and gentlemen? YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, whatever platform you are, what's going on? What's going on? Today I got a 2008 Chevy Cobalt LT ready to go. It looks real sporty from the jump, from the yump. Follow me on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. I think I said that already, but I'll say it again. This is the 08 Cobalt, 140,000 miles, clean title in hand, ready to go, ready to rock and roll. It says United States Army on the back. I'm assuming this was an Army guy's or girl's car, and they got rid of it. But yeah, man, here's the car. Funny story, I got my, still got that town car, that Lincoln town car, and I be posting it. I don't think people know what that car is. That car holds a lot of weight. People don't know. They just see it's an old 01 Lincoln town car. That bad boy runs like you riding on air. It just such a smooth, elegant, luxurious ride. But yeah, I got it up for $3,000, and people's offering me $1,500 for it. I'm like, dude. Their excuse is, yeah, I seen these going for $1,000 to $1,500. My brother, there's a reason why it's going for that price, and trust me, 8 times out of 10, it's not a good one. It's not a good reason why it's going for that price. But hey, if you want cheap, you want cheap. I can't knock your hustle. You want cheap, you go get cheap. Mine's is not that one. Mine's is going for $3 because I know what it is, it rides smooth, and I couldn't find no problems with it. I couldn't find no problems with it. So yeah, I'm cool on that, but I like to have a little fun and go back and forth with these clowns sometimes, in which I did today, but I'm not gonna do that often. I just don't understand that. If you see something for $1,500, why are you here messaging me? I'm just trying to figure that out. I hope somebody got an answer for me. It doesn't make no sense to me. But yeah, back to this one. Nice steering wheel, sporty steering wheel. Nice and real sporty, nice clean dash. Center console is clean. The heat, oh my God, the AC is so icy. Heat and AC is good on this one. The radio works well. I call this the Prindle. The Prindle's good. Park, reverse, neutral drive, all that good stuff. What else can I say? You know, that nice little small four-cylinder, let me slow it down, 4-cylinder vehicle to get around the city in. Doesn't take up too much gas. Nice and compact, so you can park it wherever you go to park it. But it's still, you can fit? Nah, I'm close. Yeah. So you could, you can still park this bad boy. Yeah.
Your name is Shaquille, right?
Oh yeah, I met you before. What's going on?
How much you selling this for?
Shit, I ain't figured probably 2,800. Or I remember you from last time. A couple of.
I work right here.
Oh,
This is for sale too.
Oh, lit. Yo, he got this bad boy for sale. If y'all want it, how much for this?
38.
38. Oh shit. That's a deal. If y'all want this one, hit me up, and I'll hit him up. You gonna be right there though, right? All right. If I got somebody for this, I'll come your way. Oh yeah. Solid little jump off right there. Alright. And I'm gonna end the video right there. See if you wanna talk. Y'all interested in this, call me 61206-5566. Once again, that's 61206-5566. They might have got the price wrong on that one. I don't know. I've never seen that car go for that long. They must have told me the wrong number. Yeah. But yes sir. This is it. And y'all go subscribe to my YouTube, man. I'm gonna do better with that. Let's see if this motherfucker started up. Let's see if it started. Oh, I don't got the key. Wow, I'm gonna try to keep it under 5. Don't got the key. Oh, yes. Incline. Car's on, AC's on. Some new tires. But yeah, we ready to go. Tell your friends about me, man. So don't be stingy with the info. Tell your friends about me. The car's on, regular job. I can help all your friends get some cars, man. Just tell them about me. Put a post up, take 10 seconds, share with a friend, word of mouth, whatever it is, man. All right?